Good morning. I'd like to do a walk around of my little sailboat. This is a Lone Star 13. The Lone Star 13 was made in Texas back in the 70s, and the company was eventually bought by Chrysler. And so the Lone Star line of sailboats became known as Chrysler boats. This one is currently for sale. As you can see, it's sitting on a galvanized trailer that has no rust on it to speak of. It's got a brand new winch pedestal, brand new winch, brand new tongue, wheel. It's got brand new tires and rims. So this boat is ready to go. Clever little design, which included no centerboard in the center of the cockpit sole, but twin centerboards that are operated by these levers or levers. It's a sloop rig, Marconi, so there's a main and a jib. The aluminum mast is very easy to set by one person, even a person who is as old as me. Rudder and tiller original, in excellent shape. Hiking stick. This boat is ready to go. So there you have it. And there it is. Chrysler Lone Star 13.